This is Sichamba Jacob. In this video, we shall try to answer this question. It was sent to me by one of my followers. Okay, so here we are supposed to use what we call U substitution. And this U substitution, we need to get the power which is right here. And this power is x power 2. We let it be equal to U. That's where the name U substitution comes from. So this is what I mean. We say U is equal to x power 2. So when we write it like this, we're going to find the derivative, okay, or dy dx of this equation. We've got a new equation where we've said U is equal to the power. So I'll tell you later why we are doing all these steps. So we shall say du over dx is equal to 2x, okay? I know you all know how to find the derivative, so I've just found the derivative of this one with respect to x, okay? And this is what I've done. The power multiplied by the number that is in front, which will give us 2. You subtract your 1 from this power, you remain with power 1. Thereafter, we make dx subject of the formula. We are going to cross multiply, okay? So when we cross multiply, we shall have du is equal to 2x dx. Okay, you can see I've just multiplied. There is a 1 down here. 1 times du, it's du. dx times 2x, it's 2x dx. Remember, we are making dx subject of the formula. So we are going to divide by 2x, okay? So that we remain with the dx. So this and this will go. We shall remain with the du over, okay, you can see du over 2x, which is equal to dx, like that, okay? So now the most important things that we need to get from all these steps are this one right here and this one right here, these two. We need to get this and this. I just showed you all these steps so that you know how I ended up with this. But if you want, you don't need to show all these steps. You can just cross multiply from here and you will know that your dx will simply be equal to du over 2x. du over 2x is our dx according to what we have right over here, okay? So now we keep what we want, and what we want out of whatever we've done are these two, dx and the u. And this is why I said I'll let you know the reason why we're doing all these steps. We want to come and substitute here and here. So what are we supposed to put here? We shall maintain the integral sign. So we say integral, okay, over x power, xe power u, where there is x power 2, we are going to substitute because we let u be equal to x power 2. And where there is dx, we are going to put a du over 2x, like that. So at this point, this x and x will go, okay? So we shall remain with the integral of e power u du over a 2. You see what we have? So now this being a fraction and 2 is a denominator, we know that there is a 1 here, 1 over 2. So we can write it outside the bracket. It will be 1 over 2, and then we bring in the integral sign, e power u du, okay? So now from this stage, we maintain 1 over 2 what is the integral of e power u? It will just be the same. It's the same as when we say what is the integral here, what is the integral of e power x with respect to x? This will just give us what is here, e power x as the answer. So the same is what we need to apply right over here. What we need to apply here. And when we apply this, we say plus a c. Okay? I'm not saying we are done, or before we even apply the plus c, we can substitute back, because we've now integrated. We can substitute back this, so it will be e, or 1 over 2 e power. Now where there is power here, we put back our u, which is x power 2, and then we say plus a c. We are done. This is our answer. I hope you've learned 1 or 2 things out of this. My request is to ask you to please share the video, like, and leave a comment. Thank you, and bye-bye.